In this video, you'll be learning a very quick tutorial on how to turn on or turn off game mode in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to navigate here at the start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way or manner, you would be able to bring it up. So please wait until everything would be showing up, including the settings, including the options of the settings before we proceed to the turning on or turning off of the game mode. Now, once ready, please navigate to the left pane where you get to list of the option. Please proceed with gaming next to time and language. So here at the gaming, you need to proceed with the third one, which is game mode. Click on it, and eventually you will be able to see game mode where you can optimize PC for play by turning things off in the background. So if you are playing, I would suggest to turn it on. Okay, so turning on or enabled it, and in that way you have successfully turned on the game mode. And on the contrary, if you would like to turn it off, if you would like to turn it off since you're not gaming or you're not playing a game on the PC, then you just have to navigate the same step, and that is to go with gaming, then game mode, and navigate here to the switched option and turn it out. And in that way, you would be able to disable the game mode here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.